Are you all right? I took the liberty of scanning your vital signs. Your blood pressure is 190/120 and your pulse is 104.
Hi guys, and welcome back to this video on the seat back. So that's the front PMD seat back. So I just wanted to show you how I've gone about using this aftermarket PMD seat back, which is made by ourselves, because it doesn't have any of the original fixing areas, which are normally along the sides. And I think there's an extra one in the bottom here on the back. So what I've done is I've got one of these, which is a divider from a plastic tray, which had many of these dividers in for sectioning out for storing nuts and bolts or whatever you want in. And then I've cut some small grooved holes down here. So what I've done for that, I've just drilled lots of little holes and then I've just cut them out. It's very rough, it doesn't need to be anything special. Then I've taken the clips here and I've just fitted those in like you would do on the originals. And to hold them down, I'm using this very cheap, I think it was £1 from one of these pound shops, epoxy resin. It sets hard within 6 minutes and it's fully set within 6 hours. And I can show you with the two I already have. If I grab this has only been on for about an hour and I can lift it very easily using the clips. Just one of them and it's not moving at all. So that's fantastic. All I need to do once I've completed this, and I do have one more here left to do, is to mark out roughly where these 4 holes are in the PMD seat back, because of course we're using Firebird standard 83 seats which don't have any holes, and I need to just drill some small holes to allow these to fit in. And the reason they're slotted is to allow for a little bit of maneuverability to line that up and to get the line nice for the top and the bottom so that it looks great when it's back on the seat. So I'm going to go ahead now and do this one, and I'll fix it on up here. And then when I've done that, I will show you how I go about marking the holes in the PMD seat back and then fixing this on to show you the full end result. Bear with me. If you're enjoying this video, please do hit the pause button, go down below, hit the thumbs up button, give it a like. And while you're down there, if you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe, it's completely free. While you're down there, why not hit share and share it with your friends? And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're notified the next time I upload a video and you don't miss out on any future content. So it's been about 12 hours since I epoxy resined these brackets which I've made onto the back here. And you notice I've left quite a slide here, which gives me a lot of adjustment when I'm fitting these to the seat itself. So all I'm going to do is literally mark out roughly where I want those points to be with that seat back on. Okay, so it's going to sit roughly across the base here and at the top here and cover all those bits that we don't want to see. And then I'm going to drill through the material into the metal structure in 4 points, and then we'll be able to just push that back on there. So I'll go ahead now and get the drill and make those holes. So I'm just going to bring you in and show you what I did to ascertain what size hole I needed. So in an area which doesn't matter, which is here, which is not seen when it's covered over with the seat back, I've just drilled a test hole here. And I've taken that hole up to a 6.5mm hole, and the clip I then tried into that hole here, and with a little bit of pressure that clip will go in. So I'll pull that one out. Now I know the size of hole I want. I've gone marked out the first hole, which is here, and I've drilled that first 6.5mm hole. I'm now going to go across and find out where on this side I need to put a hole, and that isn't this hole, which is already in the material here. I will need to make a new hole there, and I'll do the other two, one up there and one up here as well. Then we can go ahead and get this seat back fitted. Time for one of Steve's top tips. When drilling any hole in steel, if you drill it and just leave it, you'll find that you have a bit of a burr, as you can see here around the edge. And if you touch it with your finger, it will be quite sharp and it can catch the material if you've got material over it. And you'll see that in just a second as I put this over it, it just catches there as I pull it up. So a top tip is to get an oversized drill and just turn that drill with gentle pressure down a few times, and that'll take the burr away for you. Okay, I'll come in for a much closer look, and you can see now that's nice and smooth, and it's not going to cut you, it's not going to cause any damage at all. Okay guys, so that's it. We have our 4 holes. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now with the fabric, I'm going to zoom in a bit better on this one. What I've done, I've just put a little bit of super glue around the very edge of the fabric where it's been cut, and that will just stop that fraying in the future. Made it nice and hard. We've got a really good tunnel there straight down into the hole, which is what we need for the clips. Okay, so all I need to do now is get the seat back, which is over here, place it over, line up the holes, give it a good firm push, and that's it done. So I'll go ahead and do that now. And there you have it guys. One seat back, fitted, nice and tight, all the way around the edges. Sit the seat up. And yeah, that's it, job done. I'll go get this PMD seat back into the car. And that's the seats finished. And here we have the finished PMD seats in the car from the back. And let's remember, this material came from Knight Rider World. The PMD seat badges came from Knight Rider World. The foam came from pmdseats.com. And if you'd like to purchase these seat covers, the seat foam or the badges, just let us know and we'll put you in touch with the relevant people. Or of course you can find them by doing a search on the internet as well. And that's it for another video. Thank you so much for watching. I've been Steve. This has been Knights of England. I'll leave you with KITT, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da for now.
Good idea. And I'll be waiting in the parking lot.